Welcome to Allie Picked and today's quick project. Today's quick project is a rustic coat rack. 3 old doorknobs, 3 1-inch long 3/8 of an inch threaded screws. And this piece of scrap wood is 24 inches long. I put marks at about 2 1/4 inches from each end and 1 in the middle. Drill a pilot hole using a small drill bit. Using a paddle bit wide enough for the head of the machine screw, drill deep enough so that the head won't stick out the back. These old glass knobs already have a 3/8 inch thread and fit perfectly onto the machine screws. So there it is. It took all of 10 minutes. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching Allie Picked and today's quick project.